Welcome or welcome back to the channel. I'm Chantelle
and welcome to the Bali series.
Today we are in a new villa. So we've been in Bali for about 4 weeks now and we've stayed in, I think maybe this is the 7th place. But I'm telling you, of all the places that we've stayed in, this is probably my favourite. Modern, boho, luxe, jungle vibes, all the stuff that I really love. So I'm going to walk you through it. You know what, I'm not even going to do much talking because the place just speaks for itself, but I just need you to see this. So much inspiration here, so much love has gone into this place. I think that's why I really love it, and the fact that it's literally in the middle of a jungle.
If you haven't done already, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press that notification bell for new video releases.
All right, let me show you.
This space is nestled in an area of Ubud called Penestanan, I think you pronounce it. It's a very lush green area with a really beautiful community, and this is the approach to the villa. So beside it is a beautiful stream on a really windy little road. The roads are so small they can't have cars there, so only bikes, which I really love that. And it's just a really quaint little quirky space. As you walk in, you're surrounded with some beautiful lush planting and bamboo, you know, the stuff that Bali just does so well. And then they've got this really super cute pool. It's not massive, but it's so beautiful. It's just great for dipping and cooling down. This is an open plan property, and when I say open plan, I mean open plan. You are literally exposed, you have the kitchen, your living space, all open. And you know, that's really beautiful, but if you're not one for the nature and the bugs and stuff like that, this is probably not the place for you because you do get a lot of that. It's doable though. I mean, for me, I'm not a massive one for the bugs, but a couple of days here, I've really loved it, and there's nothing being too traumatic. What I really love about the space is that there's so many different spaces and different areas to enjoy. I really love that the hosts have thought about that, really created an experience that, you know, if you want to chill on the hammock, or if you want to do some work or eat formally on the dining table, there's spaces for that. If you want to lounge by the pool, or if you just want to chill on the daybed, they've got all the seating covered. One of the wow factors of the villa is this beautiful freestanding bathtub. It's got such an unusual shape. For me, the second floor is just next level beautiful. I just love the size of the room, the fact that it's so big, the fact that the ceilings are so high, the fact that there's just windows wall to wall and they're open, and that you can really touch nature from there. I found it a really great space to spend some time and do some work from here. It was such a creative space, it was so inspiring, and it really allowed the creative juices to flow. Choice of the timber that they've used, especially on the floor, is so beautiful. I love the width of these planks and the fact that they are so old and have so much character within them. Just being so close to nature is another really special thing. So the windows open up and you can pretty much touch the plants. That's how close they all are. You can see out into the jungle. and it's a really beautiful space just to be able to sit, breathe and be still.
This accommodation provides so much inspiration for boho fans, or if you have a global aesthetic. There's so much in here to take away. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you found some inspiration, and don't forget to check out the other videos as part of the Bali series. Until next time, catch you soon.